Most IVF failures are not bad luck, they are missed clues. If you've had a failed IVF cycle, don't guess what went wrong. Scan the QR code and chat with my IVF chatbot right now. It will help you make sense of your reports instantly. Now, here's the uncomfortable truth. When an IVF cycle fails, most clinics just say, let's try again. Same protocol, same approach, same blind optimism. But repeating the same cycle and expecting a different result? That's not medicine, that's gambling. What you actually need is a forensic audit of your previous cycle. Because your medical records tell a story. Your stimulation protocol. Were your ovaries properly optimized? Your egg quality. Were enough mature eggs retrieved? Your embryo photos. Did you even get to see them? Or were you just told good quality? And most importantly, your blastocyst development rate. This is the single best indicator of lab quality, and most clinics conveniently avoid discussing it. When we carefully review your past cycle, we can pinpoint exactly where things went off track. Was it poor ovarian response, a suboptimal lab environment, or simply a protocol that wasn't tailored to you? Once you identify the weak link, the next step becomes obvious. And that's how you convert failure into success, not by hope, but by precision. Remember, IVF is not a black box. It's a series of measurable steps. And if one step fails, you fix that step, not repeat the entire process blindly. If you want an honest, data-driven second opinion, scan the QR code now and ask your questions on my IVF chatbot. You deserve clarity before your next attempt, not another expensive experiment.